Oh, get this nigga. Get this nigga. I stole on him.
Yo, that's something about dog. They shoot all day up in here, you know what I mean? That's how it's dope, baby. One of my mother, but yo, let me tell you.
Nah, Smack, bring the camera close. I'm gonna tell your man to nah, get the fuck out of my face. Fuck out of here, Smack. Nah, real talk though, know what I mean? Niggas out here in Buffalo, man, know what I mean? I would have my deuce and shoot in the air right now, but I mean, I'm gonna relax right now. I mean, niggas think I ain't crazy, know what I mean? Like I won't, know what I mean, stab a nigga in the neck. Fuck out of here. I mean, I'm trying to stay in school right now. Do my thing though, know what I mean?
You know I stay.
Cause if I ain't come to UB, I be on the block right now selling that fucking white girl, nigga. I move brands, nigga.
Yo, Stanley! Tell Cap to suck my dick, yo.
My son, shout out to my nigga Stanley, yo. Nigga EOP. Shout out to all my niggas in EOP, know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
I don't know, my nigga AD, aka when I get drunk, I'm extra strong. Now let me see that.
Yo, check this out. Let me tell Smack something. I never had problems in my life. You know what I mean? I got to 12th grade, I started having problems with my life. I never had problems with nobody but me, myself, and I. Guess what? I smack you silly. I get you up and get you dancing like Diddy. D.E. I pop your ass silly. I was about to look at dog. I wasn't done.